Welcome to a glimpse of modern engineering marvels in Switzerland, where innovation meets necessity. Today, we are witnessing the ASTRA Bridge in action, a revolutionary solution designed to keep traffic flowing smoothly during road repairs. This mobile construction site bridge, developed by the Federal Roads Office of Switzerland, is a game-changer for highway maintenance. The ASTRA Bridge is a highly mobile and modular structure, resembling a Swiss Army knife in its versatility. It allows vehicles to drive over ongoing road repairs, eliminating the need for detours and reducing travel time significantly. This is particularly crucial on busy highways like the A1, where even minor disruptions can lead to major delays. The bridge is positioned over the repair site, with ramps on both sides engineered for smooth vehicle transitions. Spanning over 840 feet and nearly 25 feet wide, it accommodates multiple lanes, and its 1.25% gradient ensures easy navigation for all vehicle types. Below the bridge, the repair work begins. Workers in high-visibility gear are shielded from traffic noise and weather, allowing them to work efficiently. The video showcases various stages of the repair process, from milling old asphalt to applying new layers. Specialized machinery like asphalt pavers and compactors ensures a high-quality finish. A major advantage of the ASTRA Bridge is its support for daytime repairs. Traditionally, such work was done at night to avoid traffic disruption, but this increased costs and safety risks. With ASTRA, noisy operations like milling and surfacing can now be done during the day, reducing the burden on nearby residents and improving worker safety. The system's efficiency is clear as vehicles move uninterrupted above while precise engineering transforms the road below. This innovation is not just about maintaining roads, it's about maintaining the flow of life. Switzerland's commitment to forward-thinking infrastructure solutions reinforces its global reputation for excellence. The ASTRA Bridge serves as a model for other countries facing similar challenges. As we conclude, reflect on the impact of this technology. It's a testament to what can be achieved when innovation is prioritized, ensuring progress doesn't come at the expense of convenience. The ASTRA Bridge is more than just a bridge, it's a bridge to the future of road maintenance.